So if you're watching this video, it's probably close to exam time and you're in need of some study tips. So if the exam is looming over your head, this is the plan to beat that stress. So this test does not define you. It is just a test, but we are going to prepare so that you can walk into test day confident, calm, and in control of yourself and clear on your focus. So here's how we're going to start. First, you want to mark the exam date on your calendar. Then look at the time between now and the exam date. Then you're going to want to block out 2-hour blocks for 2-hour study sessions. These 2-hour sessions are going to be plenty if you stay focused. So to keep it manageable, you want to block these out in advance, but also remember about scheduling breaks and real life, because burnout helps nobody. Ideally, you want to have a full study session for each of the 8 units, so that would be 8 study sessions, so 8 2-hour blocks. But you know your schedule best and you know your abilities, so you can always adapt this as necessary. So the key here is to make this study session fit your needs. Are you strong in some areas? Well, then combine those into one study session. Are you weak in another? Give them more time. So for example, some people combine Unit 1 on limits and continuity with Unit 2 that dives into differentiation. But you don't have to do it like that. That's just a suggestion. If you're really struggling with a unit, break it up and make it into 2 study sessions. If you're feeling particularly confident with some units, you can combine those and cover 2 units in a single study session. So let's get into the actual 2-hour power block. How does that work? In short, it's practice, reflect, review, repeat. This is how you build mastery, not by cramming, but by cycling through and understanding. So for each 2-hour power block, start off by doing some practice sets for that particular unit. Make sure you have a good mix of multiple choice questions and free response questions, and also that you have a mix of questions that involve use of the calculator or Desmos and those where that's not permitted. Then, after you do those practice problems, see how you did. Self-score yourself. You can identify any weak spots or trouble areas, review your notes and other examples that you may have had in class, or you can check out some of the instructional videos I have on my channel. Then you complete another round of practice sets. Continue to repeat that process during that entire 2-hour block. You can get practice problems from review books such as Barron's or 5 Steps to a 5, or also there's additional online resources such as AP Classroom, the College Board, Khan Academy, as well as Fiveable, and many others out there. Some of them are free, but some of them also involve a subscription. So that's it. That is the 2-hour power block study tips for you. Remember, you've come to this point, you've learned so much. Trust your preparation. Don't let stress get in your way at this point. You got this. Crush this exam.